welcome to this week's episode. This week we've been busy converting the other 2 rooms for our other sons, which was the last thing on our list after completing the earth bag extension room for our eldest son. We've now been dividing the truck, the box. If you've seen our previous episode, you'll know what I mean, but we basically had a big, very well insulated, very well constructed box, which was on the back of a big Mercedes truck. She's still over there behind the willow tree. And we took that box down with the help of our digger friend and only just made it. Maybe we'll make an episode if we can find the footage of that one day, because that was a funny experience. We got the box down off the back of the truck and we built it into the house. So we've been dividing that into 2 rooms for our other sons, and we've used a new technique for us. We build a kind of wood framed wall using canyosh, like bamboo and a wooden frame. And we filled it with a kind of mix between cob and a kind of light straw mix to make the mass of the wall, because this is also going to be a heated wall. We're going to make a whole episode on all of that I can go into all the details with you. We've basically got like a hot solar heated water pipes running through the wall, and also a wood burning oven that's built into the wall to kind of heat up that thermal mass of the cob and the straw, that you have not only a wood burner but also a heated wall. But as I said, that's not quite finished, so that'll be an episode for another day. Today I want to share with you the details of our upcoming building course. Nick and I have been working on this since we not since we started the house, but definitely since we completed the main part of the house, because we want to do an in-person building course with you guys, that you can come and you can share this knowledge in a kind of interactive in-person experience. It means you also get to enjoy this beautiful southwest Portugal. So I've been teasing for a while now, but we actually have the dates. It's going to be the 16th to the 29th October this year, so it's in just a couple of months. And we have a space for 4 people, including accommodation, in a beautiful little wooden house. It's a shared accommodation, so there'll be 4 beds in a kind of mezzanine, and the shared kitchen, living room area, shared bathroom. It's in a very convenient location. You're just 5 minutes walk from the local supermarket, and it's actually just down the road from our own home, so we're close by, and we're going to be in person with you on site every day, 5 days in the week, 1 weekend off, of course, to explore the beach and the mountains and a surf or whatever you guys want to do, and then 5 more working days. So it is, of course, a manual labor task. This is an opportunity that's open to anybody that wants to come, but it's not really suitable if you are suffering from a back problem or something like this. This is something we would need to discuss, but we want to make this accessible to anybody. So please, if you're interested, get in touch, and if you have any special requirements like that, please let us know that we can try our best to accommodate that. One of our favourite things about earth bag building is how accessible it is. It's something that really anybody can do. I'm a tattooer. Nick is admittedly a carpenter and he's very hands-on. He's a lot of experience in construction, but we learned this ourselves. We learned how to do this. We learned on the job. We learned from other people that were sharing their information. So we want to do the same for you guys. 16th to the 29th October down here in the southwest Portugal. I will of course confirm the location and all the details. If you're interested, please get in touch. I'm going to leave the email in the little information box below. You can get in touch with us. You can also leave me a comment with your email address and I'll get back to you. Let's get in touch if you're interested. Coming down here with us, we'd be really super happy to have you. It's a perfect course if you're looking to build your own earth bag house or construction, or if you just want to know more about natural construction and earth bag building. We will of course be there with you on site, so also if you have any questions about the lifestyle, the sustainable kind of ecological approach to off-grid living, we want to share that information with you. So if you're interested in this experience and joining us down here in southwest Algarve in Portugal, if you're available to come between the 16th and the 29th of October, and if you're able-bodied and willing, we want to share this with you. Please get in touch. And otherwise we'll see you guys next week, Sunday, for an update. Hopefully I'm going to have all this information to share with you about this cob heated wall system that Nick's created. Otherwise have a great week. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and thank you as always for your support.